The Maybach GLS is a beefed-up version of the Mercedes GLS, which is itself a very luxurious full-size SUV. The Maybach GLS is, in fact, the luxury division's first-ever SUV, and the Maybach has pretty much nailed it in its first attempt. The heavy use of chrome bits and pieces on the exterior bolsters the assertive character, and the optional two-tone paint scheme exhibits the craftsmanship that has gone into the manufacturing of the ultra-luxurious German SUV. The leather-draped interior is even more luxurious than the exterior. The feel and the ambiance of the cabin is further elevated by the use of ambient lighting and ultra-plush seats at the front and the rear. If you want the true executive experience with acres of legroom and the first-class treatment you deserve, you should try the rear seats, which also feature power-adjustable recliner seats. A subtle fragrance diffuser engages your sense of smell, while dual 12.3-inch infotainment displays powered by Mercedes-Benz's latest maybok software interface provides a crystal-clear visual experience